When I came in, I liked the feel of it, and that's always very important to me. I have to always feel comfortable.
The staff is great. Everybody's really nice here. It's like a little family.
I came to Hall Rejuvenation Clinic after coming to a point in my life that I had been focused on my family and my job for years and realized I really wasn't taking care of myself.
Well, I had been coming to Hall's for a few years, and I've done something with Dr. Hall, and Tricia is like my consultant here.
I've been coming here for a few years. I see Amber, who's absolutely amazing, and every time I've left, I'm always happy with the results.
I noticed that my hair was thinning really badly in the back of my head, and when I exercised, I could see I was always self-conscious about the hole, I called it, in the back of my head.
Last fall, I came in to talk to Tricia to ask her what she thought I ought to do, because I felt like I needed a little pick-me-up.
So I participated in the wellness program at Hall Rejuvenation Clinic for a little over a year. I met with Lindsay to really have a better understanding of, food and the food choices that I was making and how my body was responding.
We talked about different procedures, and she said, before you do any of that, you ought to think about doing the HCG diet. And I had heard of that before, and I said, oh, is that with the injections? And she said, no, it's not injections anymore. It's a little tablet that melts into your tongue. So I thought, well, that didn't sound too bad.
I came here and Dana had helped me go through the procedures that they had here, so I chose the Ravage, the least invasive. And I noticed after several weeks that that hole wasn't as prominent as it was.
I like permanent makeup because we travel a lot, we're active, we work out in the gym a lot, don't have to worry about putting a lot of makeup on. I can just kind of do a little bit and go, and it works out really well.
So I had a meeting with Lindsay, and she told me more about it, and I just dove right in, and I did one round of it and lost between 20 and 25 pounds, and then I decided I'm on a roll, let's do it again.
After seeing her on a routine basis, I've lost 60 pounds. The result of that, made me want to go ahead and I saw Dr. Hall and went through a tummy tuck, and here I am now, close to 50 years old, feeling better than I have, in a very, very long time.
So I lost another 15 pounds, so close to 40 pounds I've lost now. I feel better, I look a lot better, I look like a different person, and people at work are following me around, wanting to know, how did you do it, and where did you go? I want her card. And the president of the company today said, I don't know what you've done or what you're doing, but you look stunning. So that was a nice compliment.
After going through this whole process, it was probably the most easiest thing I've ever gone through in my entire life. The entire staff made me feel extremely comfortable. They laid out the plan, let me know, what to expect going through the surgery. I really thought it was going to be worse than what it came out.
Every time I came, they were very professional, but yet they were very warm and personable. And I love that. So I continue to feel comfortable, and now my hair looks great. And I love it here because I've made friends. I really like it. Dr. Hall is amazing, and his staff is wonderful.
It's not just anybody you want to trust to do permanent makeup on your eyes. I enjoy it. She's great. It's not very painful at all.
I've gotten to know the staff, and I've known Amber for years, and I've also, met Dr. Hall as well. So everybody here is amazing.
I would highly recommend this to anybody who is at a point where they're not happy with what they look like or how they feel, that it's like, don't put it off, because you're not getting any younger.